Spyro.
Some bicep curls.
This is cat weight training.
Who needs a gym? And then we've got shoulder press. Yeah.
Is that blurry?
And then we have kettlebell. It's not kettlebell, it's kettlebell. Right?
Any other ones?
And kettlebells. I will make some more up and we'll do some more next time. Hey, Spyro.
So that is cat weights by Ninja and Spyro. Very happy. See, she's not stressed. She's still giving smoochies. Stay tuned for the next lot of cat weights.